In this video, we will learn how to use some of the advanced features within the Portal Configuration Wizard. To learn how to start and access the Portal Configuration Wizard, please watch this video. Further details about these advanced features can be found at this link. The Portal Configuration Wizard provides a couple of advanced features that you may want to be aware of when you are performing configuration changes to your portal environments. These features are Download Wizard Selections and Download Configuration Scripts. The Download Wizard Selections feature can be used to save all the choices you entered in the Configuration Task Workflow UI to an XML file. This file can then be used to import the saved values into the Portal Configuration Wizard to apply the same choices when running the same configuration task in the future. For example, if you are building a QA and a dev environment and want them configured in a similar manner, you can use the Portal Configuration Wizard to configure QA by entering all the values through the UI. Then, if you save the choices by using the Download Wizard Selections feature, you can use that saved file as input for the Portal Configuration Wizard on the dev environment, thus saving time entering all the values again through the UI. The Download Configuration Scripts feature can be used to dynamically produce a set of executable scripts and instructions for the configuration task you desire. Once this payload is produced, you can use the instructions to perform the configuration by running the scripts manually on your portal environment. For example, this feature may be desirable if you cannot run a graphical interface on a particular environment, or if you want to write custom automated scripts to perform the configuration. In these examples, you can run through the desired configuration using the Portal Configuration Wizard on one environment and produce the payload using the Download Configuration Scripts feature. The payload produced can then be used to run the same configuration task on additional portal environments by either manually following the step-by-step instructions in the produced HTML file or using the produced scripts to help you create custom automation. Here's how it works. We will use the database transfer task as an example. After walking through the Portal Configuration Wizard workflow for the database transfer task, you will see this screen. To save the values you just entered to an XML file so you can import them into the Portal Configuration Wizard on the other portal environments, click the Download Wizard Selections. This will download an XML file to your hard disk. To use this file, launch the Portal Configuration Wizard. Navigate to the database transfer task. Then click on Upload Saved Selections to import the values from the XML file you just downloaded. Then, as you can see here, the values have been imported, allowing you to advance through the workflow. To dynamically create step-by-step instructions, along with the executable scripts to run the configuration task independent of the Portal Configuration Wizard, click the Download Configuration Scripts. This will download a payload to your hard disk. This payload includes the HTML file that contains the step-by-step instructions, the scripts directory, which contains all the individual scripts listed in the instructions, and the properties directory that contains the property values that each script uses. Using these advanced features can help save time while configuring your portal environments. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.